Hi guys, welcome back to my blog. I'm Architect Studio, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step procedure for you to be registered for the Philippine National ID. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel Architect Studio and hit the ring bell. You can now register yourself for the Philippine National ID. You can use either your smartphone or computer, but iPhone, iPad, and Mac OS are not yet supported. The registration will take you about 5 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. Just visit PSA Online Registration. After you successfully book your appointment, you will then receive a call or text for confirmation. For your appointment, prepare at least one valid ID or your birth certificate. Go on the date your appointment scheduled for biometrics data collection. A full set of fingerprints, facial image data, iris scanned, and more. However, only those who have finished Step 1, which is the online registration, and those who have an appointment can visit the registration center. Step 2 is the on-site registration for your national ID. These are now currently being held in various registration centers in Cagayan de Oro City. So, where is the nearest registration center in your area? The registration center are located at City Mall Ipunan, City Mall Bulwa, SM CDO Cagayan de Oro Uptown at the 3rd floor, and SM CDO Downtown Premier at the 5th floor. PSA Region 10 Limkit-Kay Module 2, BPO and Cyber Park Building, Barangay Lumbia Centro, Barangay Puerto, Barangay Pagatpat. Step 2 is aimed to collect the following biometrics data. Upon arriving at the registration center, don't forget to bring your valid appointment slip and supporting documents like your valid ID and birth certificate. Upon arriving, the PSA personnel and staff will check the validity of your appointment slip and supporting documents. After that, you can now proceed to the certification of demographic information.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
We stand today, opponents. We strive to bring home pride, and yet our power, when combined, is a force to change the world. Our nations share a common dream. Our roots are old and new. Our stories, joyful echoings of bonds, forged strong and true. Together we're a universe. We are a future world. Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win as one. We win as one, unconquered. We win as one.
A PSA staff will verify your demographic information like your last name, your first name, your middle name, your civil status, your birth date, your permanent address, your contact number, and blood type. And the PSA staff will take pictures for your supporting documents, like your valid ID or your birth certificate. Next is the capturing of your biometric information, like your facial image data or simply ID picture. Next is your iris scan.
Together we're a universe. We are a future world.
And they will also scan your full fingerprints. After collecting your biometrics data, the PSA personnel would ask you to check the right spelling and demographic information which are correct. And he or she will issue you a transaction slip. You will then receive your national ID in 3 to 4 months. It would be delivered in your permanent address. Don't forget to show your transaction slip to receive your national ID. These are just simple steps for you to register and have your national ID.
Is when we win. That's when we win.
A special shout out to my members and thank you for their support and being part of Architect Studio family. Walk with Ruru by Ruru Ocampo based in South Korea. Ed's Cucina channel is a blogger based in Japan. Ang's Dave is a food blogger based in Davao. Julie Jules TV is a plantita based in Calabarzon. Taga Lopez is a blogger based in United Arab Emirates. Jules TV is a lifestyle blogger based in Hong Kong. Joy's Wonderful Kitchen is a blogger based in Japan. Wings Blog is a Bisayang Tagalog that loves Mang Tomas. Lizelle Pardo is a lifestyle blogger. My gorgeous friend Chobaki Blog is a lifestyle blogger based in Leyte. Thank you so much for watching and more videos to come.
Hi guys, please subscribe to my friend Gerald, to his channel, Architect Studio. Have a great day.